Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for KASPA price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Many of you asked me about KASPA today on YouTube and also in the Discord channel asking for what is going on in KASPA. So we have an impulse toward the upside. We have finished a wave 1 or a wave A, of course. And in case you are impulsive in a wave 1, you're looking for a wave 2 which is finished, and then you are looking for another impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's perfect. Everything has been made perfectly for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But also don't forget that this impulse can as well represent a wave C in the yellow count. Now, how we know if this is an impulse as a zigzag or as a bigger impulse toward the upside, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or just A, B, and a C finished. The problem that we have is that this wave, which is impulsive, right, did not take over than the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the 1 here and then the 2. In case we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, you would like to reach, of course, an impulse which is, of course, higher, much higher, of course, at 1.618, or at least uncommon target 0.76. But this did not happen. We did not even reach the 1-to-1 fib level, which is the minimum required. I mean, not the minimum, but it can be, of course, very close for a target for a zigzag, A, B, and a C, right? So the scenario here is that, yeah, it is much more tending to be corrective, ABC toward the upside, and we're looking, of course, for some wave toward the downside as corrective as well, A, B, and a C, and then start to move higher again later on, of course, after reanalyze. But as you can see here, after we have topped here for a wave C, much higher possibility, we have finished a wave A in the magenta, and finishing as 3 waves toward the upside. Of course, this is a little bit hard to see it, but you have to count it, of course, in order to see this as A, B, and a C like this. And then, of course, we're looking for wave B, and then probably a wave C toward the upside. Your wave B has to be 3 corrective waves. Now, as you can see here, we have started with something, right? We have started with a very deep move towards the downside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart to check it. Is that an impulse? It can be, yes, an impulse, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It can be a very wave A. And then you have 3 waves up, of course, finished impulse toward the downside for a wave C. So definitely those are already 3 waves down. Yeah? Don't forget that this also can be a wave 1, A, B, C for a wave 2. And then, yeah, continuation toward the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Have we invalidated this? If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, yeah, we invalidated that. Yeah, wave 4 interfering with zone 1. So yes, that is invalidation for impulse toward the downside, meaning very, very corrective. Okay, very, very corrective here. We are looking for a very choppy wave. So it might be then 3 ways down, 3 ways up, of course, and a WXY. Yeah, it can be W, X, and a Y. Here we go, W, X, and a Y. In this case scenario, you are looking, of course, then for for a reversal. It is possible. Is it possible that we have finished? No, to be honest. It's not possible that we have finished. I mean, of course possible, but very low possibility. We have finished only 3 waves of this correction, I would say. So A, B, and a C, A, B, and a C, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning you might see, of course, higher prices a little bit, yeah, but definitely it's gonna rebound for lower later on. Yeah. So this is the possibilities. You want to finish a wave C at least at 0.23, guys, at least. So yeah, to finish a wave B here, taken from the bottom A, B, and a C, you need the minimum requirement 0.23. Now KASPA has held on very, very long time, to be honest, in the top, and that might be the problem. Like holding this for a very long time might make, of course, a very massive drop and then moving toward the upside again. However, 3 waves done, WXY, 3 waves up, and then one more move toward the downside. This is my insights, of course, for KASPA. Probably we have finished those 3 waves up, probably moving directly down, in an impulse. So we're gonna see how this is gonna work, of course, guys. But yeah, highest probability, of course, still to take this blue box, guys. Still taking this blue box is a very high probability. In case you are impulsive, which is a very low possibility in a very short wave 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Well, it looks like an impulse at the end, but it can be. Nobody knows. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Anyway, your wave 4 is also 0.23. Therefore, you're still looking for probability here. Let me check. Well, if you are in wave 4, no, then you have bottomed, yeah, because your wave 4 has to be taken from a wave 2. Here we go, and retracement. But I don't think this is of course, like, it has to retrace from this level, but it can of course continue towards the downside, because regarding this high and regarding the time of this move towards the upside, the correction time is still very, very shallow and very low. And I'm gonna show you an example. If we are in this top here, we are looking for a wave B in a zigzag. Here we go. This is a minimum time requirement, 0.38 for a wave B in a zigzag, minimum requirement. If we are in a wave B for a, this is a wave C. If we are in a wave 4 for a wave 2, yeah, 0.618, very, very far, yeah, very far time. So we need the minimum requirement time here in the middle, I would say, yeah. And that's why I still think that this is only the beginning for KASPA. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down to finish this correction and then start to move for higher. Yeah, so this was it for KASPA. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.